Good morning students, welcome back to Alchemy online classes. Yesterday I have given you a paragraph as a homework. I hope you have done. Let us see. If you have not done, do it with me right now. Let us see now. Value of discipline. You all might be aware of this word discipline, yes? So what is the importance of discipline in your life? I hope you have written. If you have not written, please do it with me right now. Discipline can be defined as a mode of ideal conduct based on obedience to law, regulatory, and regularity and sense of duty. Discipline is the national virtue of a great people. In discipline lies the strength of a nation. We can notice discipline in our nature too. The earth, the moon, the sun all follows a certain system. Discipline is necessary in all walks of life. So here I have given the first paragraph with the introduction that yes, it is a part of obedience and all. Then I have given here an example that we have to follow discipline as our earth, moon and all, they are also following a system and around which the whole solar system, how it is revolving in a systematic manner. Clear? So I have given the example over here, and I have also said that we have to be a part of discipline. Clear? So without discipline our life cannot be easy. See the next one here. Whether it is a playground or it is a school or college, discipline is important everywhere. Without it our goal can never be achieved. Children must be taught to obey their parents, their teachers. They must be taught to follow the norms of life, to follow the rules of discipline inside and outside the homes. We should get inspiration from the lives of the great men such as Mahatma Gandhi, Abraham Lincoln, etc. So here I have given an example that as a human being we have to follow the discipline. Even in the school, even in the playground, it is very important. Clear? So if you are not behaving properly in a school and in a playground, what happens? The teacher may scold you. Clear? So you have to follow the discipline, rules and regulation layout by the school. Clear? And children must be taught that they should be obey their parents, grandparents, teachers and all elders. They should follow the norms laid by the school and by the home. Even your parents might be laying certain rules that you should not shout and talk to others, and also these are the family discipline your parents might be teaching you. Clear? And even we should get inspiration from the lives. I have given the example here that we have to get inspiration from the great persons, great people such as Abraham Lincoln and Mahatma Gandhi, the famous personality. So we know that how much disciplined they were. So we have to walk on their footprints. Clear? Let us move to the next one. I have given the final conclusion over here. These great persons valued discipline in their entire life. We should also do the same in order to achieve the highest goal. Discipline should be our guide and guardian. We must keep it in mind that a disciplined boy or a girl is loved and liked by all. So I have given here final conclusion that how much important it is in the entire life to be in a disciplined manner. Discipline should be in a proper way that each and everyone should like you. You should not disliked by anyone. So you have, for that what you have to do, you have to be in your disciplined manner. Clear? I hope this is easy to do. I hope you have done in your own words very good. And I have also I have one more paragraph over here. What I enjoy doing most in my leisure time. Whenever I get leisure time, I enjoy gardening. I am a great lover of nature and therefore I spend most of my leisure time in my garden, though a small one. It is the compound of my house. I take great interest in preparing the soil for sowing several vegetable seeds by digging and manuring it. That means I have given here my feelings that I like to garden. I like to do gardening. Clear? So I am digging up the vegetables and all. So I have given the example over here. I am equally fond of growing flowers in my garden. One can see beautiful roses, dahlias, marigolds, lilies, etc. I love to study among these beautiful flowers. I feel highly concentrated in my garden, especially when I study. I am fond of green vegetables such as lady's finger, pumpkins, and cucumber. I grew them in abundance. That means I grow them in a lot with this kind of vegetables such as green vegetables, lady's finger, and all. Then my grandparents, and parents are fond of bitter ground. They like bitter ground the most. I have written here their likes also, and there I have concluded finally here. Therefore, I grew them too. I enjoy watering these plants. I closely watch their steady growth. I keep my garden neat and clean. So I have written here my own thinking. Clear? You can write up in your own words whatever you like to do. Clear? As it is a lockdown period, it's a quarantine time, so you can write up what you are doing right now in the lockdown period. Clear? So you can write up as you are cooking new dishes, you would like to do the kitchen work, household work. Clear? So many of you like to do stitchings and all. Whatever you like, drawing, painting, poster making, whatever you like to do in your leisure time, you can write in your own words. Clear? I hope the whole thing is clear to you. I hope the paragraph writing is very easy to understand and easy to write. Clear? For extra content, please visit Extra Marks app and Diksha app, where you can get the whole content. Thank you for the day.